Guys, I wanted to show you this. Guys, I wanted to show you this wheelchair cushion that the company sent me. My dad is in a wheelchair, so I have been getting these products in to help him. He's also in bed quite often, so these type of products really do help. This is a really nice one, and I've seen a bunch. I've reviewed a bunch by now. I like this one because it is designed for sitting for a long time, so it's like very ergonomic. Which allows you just to sit for a while and be really comfortable. It's made out of memory foam. You could feel like it is thick and the memory foam is really nice. Plus it has like the gel in it so that it's cooling. So you're not going to get hot when you're sitting in it. It's great if you live in like warmer temperatures or if you just like run warm sitting for a long time. It has the anti-slip on the bottom, so when you place it down, it's not going to move all over. So it's good for like a car ride. If you know, for me personally, when I'm in long car rides, like I start to have some hip pain, so this is perfect for that. You can also use it like in a chair or when you're working really long at a desk, all those things. It is thick, it is heavy, it feels really nice. You can take it the cover off and machine wash it, so you know you have that protection. And like it kind of goes like in a, you know, this design of it, it's like thinner to thicker, which is really good for like the ergonomics of it and just to be like long lasting comfort, as well as this is like designed for your tailbone. So it's definitely like innovative and designed really well, and the materials are really high quality. So if you need a cushion like this, either for just like sitting for an extended period of time or, you know, for somebody that's in a wheelchair, definitely grab this one.